no foul language. So unscrew this. I'll come back to the middle. This is for somebody on guitar. Their cord is messed up, so I'm showing them how to fix the cord. This comes off, and then I loosen this up. Then I push this cord in, and also right in here I loosen these things up right here. I loosen that, I loosen that. So now I can push the cord in more, and I loosen this one up. There's you need a wrench to loosen that, and then push that, and then put this back down, and then tighten this up, and tighten this up. That's it.